Alright folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2017 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor with 128,000 miles and only 1281 idle hours. Original smokestone metallic from factory. This vehicle was a former Department of Corrections unit. This was not a patrol vehicle whatsoever. Once again, this was a Department of Corrections unit. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. Road ready to go anywhere, folks, as I already have done it all for you. The paint looks very sharp, very shiny, very well taken care of. Does have very minimal amount of scratches, and it does have one little door ding on the rear driver's side quarter panel, which I will point out to you. The vehicle does have a window tint from the department that is like a medium shade, not too dark, not too light. You can see right through. Perfect color combination for this unit. This is going to be an E85 FLEXFUEL vehicle. Folks, let me stop right here before I forget. The vehicle does have what appears to be one door ding here in the rear driver's side quarter panel. You can see it right there. It's not that bad, but it's there, folks. You can't see it, but if you get in front of it, you can. All right, no holes on the body whatsoever. Vehicle does have working backup sensors and backup cameras. One camera, I apologize, one camera. FLEXFUEL all-wheel drive. I did forget to mention that this is going to be a 3.7 all-wheel drive engine. I apologize for that, folks. Before I forget, I got to tell you that the vehicle did receive 4 new set of takeoff tires. Those are going to be the 245 55 18s by Goodyear Eagles RSAs. Once again, the tires that came with the vehicle, they were not acceptable, so I went ahead and got you a new set of takeoffs. I also got to tell you that the vehicle does have new front brakes and rotors, and also does have rear new brakes and rotors. I get confused, folks. Vehicle does have new brakes and rotors all around. How about that? That sounds a lot better. I do have a nice set of clear lights and lessons on the front. Vehicle does have a clean, clear title. Everything does work as it should. I am driving the car around, folks, due to the fact that this is going to be E85, and that is $3 a gallon right now at the pump. So she's saving me a little bit of money. Smokestone metallic, very unique. It looks silver, but it's not. When it's in the sun, the vehicle does look like I like to call it dirty silver, folks. Let me stop right here. Or 4 steel wheels. All 4 steel wheels were reconditioned when we first got the car in. The vehicle did come with the full wheel covers. We took those out, went with the dog dishes, and reconditioned the rims. Folks, you can see that the rear rotors are new along with the brakes. All right, just want to make sure I throw that out there, because sometimes, every now and then, I will forget a detail or two, and I got to make sure I put it in my eBay ad. All right, moving along inside of the vehicle, I do have a vinyl leather rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have perfect vinyl floor, no tears, no rips. All 4 door panels are in mint condition. Everything does work. The rear doors do work from inside and out of the vehicle. Driver's side seat is nice and comfortable, folks. As you guys can see, the vehicle does have a Havis police type center console. What you see is what you're gonna get. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. How it works, folks. Let's go inside here real quick. Vehicle does have 2 key fobs and 2 keys. This is what I got. All right, I got lucky. Here we go. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Okay, everything here. Vehicle does have 128,000 miles with only 1291. Correction, 1291 idle hours, folks. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Map lights do work. Dome light, red LED, white LED does work. Vehicle does have working rear camera. It does come up on the stereo right there, folks. Okay, it does work. It does work. Let's put it back in park. Also, vehicle does have factory Bluetooth. All you do is just come over here where it says phone, and the vehicle will start looking for your phone to connect. All right, very easy. Let's go to the trunk. I got to show you what we got to work with over here. The clock is ticking, so I better hurry up. Right, here we go, folks. Super clean trunk, nice and big. Vehicle does have 1 rear bolt on the right of the vehicle. It does open up. It does come back up. All right, then we come over here. This is gonna be your gun vault. Did I lock it? Oh, there we go. This is gonna be your gun vault right here. This side does have a key. I do have it in the keychain with the car keys. It's this one right here, the little one. Okay. Oh yeah. Let me turn this in like this. Vehicle does have a full matching spare tire in the trunk. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Let's go ahead and fire her back up. Sorry, trying to hurry up here. Vehicle does have working cruise control. I'm not sure if I said that, but vehicle does have working cruise control. All right, let's get under the hood and show you guys the services. Very nice, quiet engine. No funny noises, no funny ticks. All right, folks, here we go. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter, throttle body was serviced and clean out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service and filter was done. Full synthetic transmission drain and fill service was done on this one, and I did go with Motorcraft LV. That's what this car takes. Vehicle does have a brand new Motorcraft cabin filter. Drive belt tensioner were in good shape, so I went ahead and left that alone. Super cold air conditioner, folks. No leaks whatsoever, no funny noises whatsoever, no funny smells whatsoever. Vehicle does have a new set of brakes and rotors all around, and tires all around. Folks, once again, I did everything to this vehicle. What you see is what you're gonna get. I'm not here to hide details from you. I am as truthful as I can. Whatever I'm seeing through the camera lens is what you are gonna see, and I will go over with you. Front bumper cover does have some road hazard chips. Okay, you can see the little tiny black dots. Also, before I forget, I got to tell you that I did have the front hood repainted due to a quarter size paint peel that I had right here in the front. Okay, I cannot do spot paints. I'm not gonna cut corners on you, so I went ahead and had the whole hood repainted. The paint does match. there you guys have it, folks. I'm always trying to give you the best. I don't like to cut corners, and I'm pretty straightforward with you. One last final look here at this gorgeous unit. Once again, folks, this is going to be a 2017 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor with 128,000 miles. Former Department of Corrections unit. I do have some scratches here. I'm glad I walked around. Some little scratches here, folks. Once again, folks, what you see is what you're going to get. If you are in the market for a nice vehicle, gas saver, runs well, in super shape and condition, here she is. Headlight bolts were also replaced. I went ahead and put the Sylvania Silver Stars on there, so a little bit brighter than the regular ones that this vehicle come with. Alright, folks, if you should have any questions, comments, or you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's see if we can work something out. Aside from that, this is the Crown Victoria guy, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. I have to go. You guys have yourself a blessed week out there. Thank you. God bless and take care. Be safe.